Hello guys, welcome to Guni Tech Solutions. This is Abdullah Sani, and in this video I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process on how to remove an image background color. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I have one image here that I want to use for this purpose. So you can see this is the image that will be removing the background color. Let's see, I just opened the image. This is how the image looks like at the moment. So to get this done, of course, we just need to open a browser. So in my own case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So just type in from your browser, just type in remove, as you can see, just type in remove.bg/upload. Okay, or you can just type remove.bg. It will take you to the official site. But when you type it completely, remove.bg/upload, it will just take you to this interface you're seeing here. So all that will be required is for you to upload the image. So I'll just click on upload image. Now you need to navigate to where that image is. So in my own case, my image is on the desktop, and the name of that folder is actually I think products. So this is it here. So it's actually product. As you can see, this is the image. So I'll just select the image and click on open. Now I'll just wait for few minutes, few seconds, not even 2 minutes. It's going to remove the button and give me the exact image that I need. Yes, as you can see, it is done. All right, so I just need to download image. Wow. So the image has been downloaded. So I just need to go to my download file, my download folder, go to downloads, and of course this is the original image and this is the image after the removal of the background. So I'll just copy this, I'll take it to my desktop and drop it on in my folder. So I'll just paste this here. Let's open it up to see how it looks like. And guys, wow, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can further edit this image. Maybe you want to reduce the size, you want to do anything with it. So guys, this is how to remove the background color of any kind of image at all. Okay,